I've got two GitHub actions working tirelessly, a Terraform provisioning pipeline to create my Azure resources, and a combined build and deploy pipeline for application releases. Everything is in GitHub. I've got my actions and my GitHub action run history in one place. You can see in front of me, I've got my provision GitHub action. It contains 4 steps that set up Terraform and then plan and apply my resource changes. Next, let's look at my Terraform script and the resources I will create. I'm creating an Azure App Service, a MySQL database, firewall rules, and setting up the database connection strings for my application. I can now access my actions run log and then select the Terraform workflow. In the list of steps, I can verify that Terraform init, plan, and apply have now executed successfully. Terraform has now created my application server, my MySQL database, and all of the necessary dependencies for my application. I also have the URL for the application that is given to me at the end of my log. Now let's see the build and deploy combined pipeline. It's split into 2 run jobs that run sequentially. For the build job, I'm using Maven to build my jar file and then store it in the GitHub repository. For the deploy job, I first fetch the jar file that I created in my build job and then use the Azure Web App GitHub action to deploy it straight to my Azure App Service. My Azure App Service has already been created by my Terraform job, and then I create my release cycle with my build and deploy job. The Spring Pet Clinic app is now deployed and connects to my Azure MySQL database. Every time I git push, I build and deploy my resources. Everything is automated from my idea to production.